Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the bulb inside the cargo / trunk light in a Toyota Prius. First you need to use a screwdriver to pry it open like this and take out the light. You can disconnect this connector. We will be using small precision screwdrivers to open the cover right here. So first you have to use the flat one to push on two clips on the sides, and at the same time you need to lift this end like this. On the other end there is a small blocking pin which prevents the cover from opening, and you can use another screwdriver small enough to fit into these openings to push on that pin. And this will allow you to remove the cover with the bulb inside. And this here we have the bulb. To remove the bulb you can use the same screwdriver, and here it is. And right here we have that small pin that prevented us from opening this side. And this is the screwdriver that we used. When you replace the bulb you can also remove this side. It just makes it easier for you to insert the new bulb. Now we will insert the new bulb. As you can see, there is enough room to do it, and now we can reassemble the whole thing. First of all, this section goes on, snaps into place. Now we can insert the switch back in, and it goes right here. And it's pretty much done. There it is. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.